Hey folks, check it out. One of the nicest ones in the city, bar none. One owner, 54 dealer service records, 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland Edition, premium package, Hemi package, trailer tow pack, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, second row heated seats, 20-inch wheels, real nice Goodyears. Immaculate inside and out, folks. Check it out. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this Overland. We're going to start the down payment at $995. That's correct, $995. Starting down payment. Guaranteed credit approval program. 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement. Overland, Hemi, cleveland.com.